Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I wanted to do just a quick video, get my hand out of the way. Recently, I say recently, this year, I've had a couple of comments. What thing? That station is pegged. About the Grundig 750. And there were negative comments about it's not a good performer, and I got one, it doesn't work too well. Well, the one thing that I've noticed, if I look on the internet overall about reviews of the Grundig 750, is it appears that the later production runs of the Grundig 750 and during the time frame that Eaton bought it out, the quality control was not that good. So it was a high percentage, in other words, above 20%, that you would get a radio that was subpar compared to the original Grundig radios. Now, another thing I've noticed is that and I say original, I mean even up to the later productions, but not the last productions before they got sold out. Those radios are in high demand because those older radios are good radios, and that's what I've got right here. This is probably a 4 to 5 year old production run, and it's worked perfect all the time I've had it. I have no problems whatsoever. Worked good on single sideband. Works great. So because of that, since there are or have been very good views of this radio, the price of these things, even used, have gone through the roof. I mean, this was like $250 when I got it. It was given to me by one of my subscribers. And now I saw one that was $999. Typically, I've seen them for around $350 to $400. Again, this is the older radios, not the Eaton version, which I believe is the S2000 it's called. So, yeah, if you get one of those later production runs or one of the Eaton radios, there is a 20 to 25% chance you'll get one with some problems because the quality control just went down. I've even seen reports that radios coming from C. Crane, which are notoriously good radios, have had problems. And I think it's just kind of sign of the times. So it's important that you get radios that you can easily return if there's a problem. Now, getting a used radio, say off of single sideband, I'm a single side right now, boy, brain dead, eBay, you might have complications for getting your money back, and you may lose some money in the return process. Maybe you had to pay to send it back or something like that. So that's a little iffy. Even getting a new radio off of eBay from a seller, you just kind of have to be careful. Now, eBay return policy is there trying to help out the buyers as much as possible. Uh-oh, there's my alarm. I set an alarm this morning because there is a small local ham fest nearby, and I've kind of talked myself into going to it, even though it's small. The weather conditions are supposed to be good this morning. Of course, it's supposed to get real hot. Okay, so much for the weather conditions. Back to the Grundig 750. For me, my Grundig 750 has worked flawlessly. Doesn't mean that if you get a new production run of even the Grundig model or the Eaton model, that you might not have problems. Just keep that in mind. That's it. Have a great day. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows you're interested in. Bye-bye. I'm going to the Ham Fest.